Hello everyone, and welcome back to Hanon Epoxy, Hanon Resin and Craft. Let me start today's video with a simple question. What if I told you that a layer of epoxy by itself can be strong, but when combined with the right fiberglass mat, it can become dramatically stronger, tougher, more impact-resistant, and capable of handling loads that ordinary epoxy simply cannot. This is one of the biggest secrets used in boat manufacturing, water tanks, swimming pools, automotive body repairs, industrial panels, fiberglass furniture, decorative structures, roofing systems, custom molds, marine applications. And surprisingly, many beginners working with epoxy have never learned how fiberglass mat actually works. Some people think fiberglass mat is only for boats. Others think it is only for polyester resin. And many people don't realize that epoxy resin and fiberglass mat can create an incredibly strong composite system when used correctly. So in today's video, we're going to break everything down in a simple and practical way. We'll discuss what fiberglass mat is, why it is used with epoxy, how the reinforcement works, different fiberglass materials, step-by-step application, common mistakes, professional tips, best projects for epoxy and fiberglass. By the end of this video, you'll understand why professionals rely on fiberglass reinforcement whenever strength truly matters. And if you're serious about learning professional epoxy systems, don't forget to subscribe to Hanon Epoxy, because this channel is all about real knowledge, practical skills, and professional results. Now let's dive in. What is fiberglass mat? Let's start with the basics. Fiberglass mat is a reinforcement material made from thousands of very fine glass fibers. These fibers are arranged together to create a sheet-like material. At first glance, it may look simple, but don't let that fool you. Fiberglass is one of the main reasons modern composite materials are so powerful. Think about reinforced concrete. Concrete provides structure. Steel provides strength. Together, they become much stronger than either material alone. The relationship between epoxy and fiberglass is very similar. The fiberglass provides reinforcement. The epoxy provides bonding and protection. Together, they create a composite material that is incredibly strong and durable. Why use fiberglass with epoxy? Many beginners ask, if epoxy is already strong, why add fiberglass? That's a great question. While epoxy is strong by itself, fiberglass improves several important properties. Increased strength. Fiberglass distributes loads across a larger area. This helps prevent failures and cracking. Better impact resistance. Without reinforcement, some epoxy structures can become brittle under heavy impact. Fiberglass helps absorb and distribute impact energy. Improved structural stability. Fiberglass helps maintain shape and structural integrity. This is especially important for larger projects. Crack prevention. Fiberglass acts like reinforcement inside the epoxy system. It helps reduce crack formation and improves durability. Weight reduction. Compared to many traditional materials, fiberglass composites provide excellent strength while remaining lightweight. This is one reason fiberglass is so popular in marine and automotive industries. How does the reinforcement actually work? Let's simplify the science. Imagine trying to break a thin sheet of cured epoxy. Under enough force, it can crack. Now imagine embedding fiberglass fibers inside that epoxy. The force must now overcome the epoxy, the glass fibers, the bond between them. This distributes stress throughout the structure. The result is significantly improved performance. That's why fiberglass reinforcement is used whenever strength is a priority. Types of fiberglass materials. Not all fiberglass products are the same. Let's look at the most common options. Fiberglass mat. This is one of the most widely used materials. The fibers are randomly arranged. Advantages: easy to use, good coverage, conforms to curves. Ideal for many beginner projects. Common applications: repairs, mold construction, water tanks, decorative structures, woven fiberglass cloth. This material looks more like fabric. The fibers are woven together. Advantages: higher strength, better appearance, more uniform reinforcement. Common applications: boats, High-performance components. Premium composite projects. Fiberglass tape. Used for joints, corners, repairs, reinforcement strips. Very useful in repair situations. Projects that use epoxy and fiberglass. The combination is used everywhere. Boats. One of the most common applications. Fiberglass provides structural strength. Epoxy provides waterproof protection. Water tanks. Fiberglass reinforcement helps create durable and leak-resistant structures. Swimming pools. Fiberglass and epoxy systems are often used to create smooth, durable surfaces. Automotive repairs. Damaged body panels can often be rebuilt using fiberglass reinforcement and resin. Decorative structures. Furniture, sculptures, wall features, and custom art pieces often use fiberglass for strength. Custom molds. Many professional molds use fiberglass reinforcement because of its stability and durability. Step-by-step application process. Now let's discuss the practical side. How do professionals combine epoxy and fiberglass mat? Step 1. Surface preparation. Preparation is everything. The surface must be clean, dry, free of dust, free of grease, structurally sound. A poor surface creates a weak bond. Even the best materials cannot compensate for poor preparation. Step 2. Cut the fiberglass. Before mixing epoxy, cut all fiberglass pieces to the required size. This saves time and improves workflow. Professionals always prepare materials before mixing resin. Remember, once epoxy is mixed, the clock starts ticking. Step 3. Mix the epoxy. Follow the manufacturer's ratio exactly. Measure carefully. Mix thoroughly. Scrape the sides and bottom of the container. Avoid rushing. Epoxy is chemistry. Accuracy matters. Step 4. Apply the first layer. Apply a thin layer of epoxy to the surface. This acts as the bonding layer. Think of it as preparing the surface to receive the fiberglass. Step 5. Position the fiberglass mat. Carefully place the fiberglass onto the wet epoxy. Avoid wrinkles and folds. Smooth it gently into position. Take your time. A properly positioned mat creates a much better final result. Step 6. Saturate the fiberglass. Now apply more epoxy. The goal is complete saturation. Every fiber should become wet with resin. You'll notice the fiberglass becoming more transparent as it absorbs epoxy. This is exactly what you want. Step 7. Remove air bubbles. This step is extremely important. Trapped air weakens the structure. Use fiberglass rollers, bubble rollers, brushes. Work methodically. Remove all visible air pockets. Professionals never ignore bubbles. Step 8. Allow proper curing. Now, let the system cure. Don't rush. Don't disturb the surface. Proper curing creates proper strength. Patience is part of the process. Common beginner mistakes. Let's avoid some costly mistakes. Mistake number 1. Using too little epoxy. Dry fiberglass equals weak reinforcement. Mistake number 2. Using too much epoxy. Many beginners assume more resin equals more strength. It doesn't. Excess resin adds weight without providing significant reinforcement. Mistake number 3. Trapping air bubbles. Voids weaken the structure and reduce durability. Mistake number 4. Poor surface preparation. Most failures begin before the resin is even mixed. Mistake number 5. Rushing the curing process. Good results require patience. Professional tips. Now, let's talk like professionals. Always pre-cut your fiberglass. Always organize tools before mixing. Always remove air bubbles thoroughly. Always work in manageable sections. Always follow the correct epoxy ratio. And remember, strength comes from the combination of epoxy and fiberglass, not from excessive resin alone. Professionals understand this balance. That's what creates reliable results. Business opportunity. Learning epoxy and fiberglass opens many opportunities. You can create water tanks, decorative furniture, boat repairs, automotive repairs, custom molds, swimming pool projects, architectural features. These skills are valuable because they solve real-world problems. And whenever you solve problems professionally, opportunities follow. Final thoughts. Epoxy and fiberglass mat are one of the most powerful combinations in the composite industry. Separately, they are useful materials. Together, they become something far greater. They create structures that are strong, durable, lightweight, waterproof, long-lasting. Whether you're building a boat, repairing a panel, creating a mold, or strengthening a custom project, understanding fiberglass reinforcement can dramatically improve your results. Because great projects aren't built on resin alone. They're built on the right system. Closing. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you subscribe to Hanon Epoxy, Hanon Resin and Craft. We're constantly creating educational content covering epoxy flooring, fiberglass systems, river tables, resin art, polyaspartic coatings, decorative finishes, professional business tips. A special thank you to our incredible channel members. George Nana, Anurag Walpure, Robert Potman. Your support helps us continue creating detailed educational content for the entire epoxy and fiberglass community. And for everyone watching, we're preparing more practical members-only tutorials covering advanced projects, professional techniques, and step-by-step demonstrations. So if you'd like to support the channel and gain access to exclusive future training, consider becoming a member. And if this video helped you learn something valuable, don't forget that Super Thanks is another wonderful way to support the channel and help us continue producing high-quality educational content. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video here on Hanon Epoxy.